Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a theme for your blogger website. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button. Okay, let's dive into this video. Okay, what you need to do is to come to your Chrome dashboard and type blogger.com. Then come here to click on theme. We need to download new theme. What we need to search is to search download blogger theme. Then hit on share. Then click on the first one you see, blogger template.2024. Then choose any theme you really love. Then click on it to download. Come down below here and click on the download. It has already downloaded. What you need to do now is to go to your file and extract the file you already downloaded. What you do now is to go back to your blogger and click on the drop down button, then click on restore, then upload. Choose Make sure you choose the one with .xml extension and click on it. Open. The theme has already installed. Then let's check our blog website. You can see the new theme has already installed. That's all. Okay, thank you for watching. Then if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel to make us cheer up to create some awesome videos like this. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.